Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Leo and Anna English. Today, learn to ask for directions naturally,
This one saved me so many times.
right? Let's get into it.
So, Anna, here's a quick question. When did you last get lost?
Oh, that's easy. Last month. I was in a new city for work. I walked out of the train station, and I had no idea where to go.
Oh no, what did you do?
Well, I just stood there, frozen. People walked past me for 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Anna, why didn't you ask?
Because I was scared. My English felt small. I thought, what if I sound silly? What if they laugh? What if I freeze?
I get that. I really do. Honestly, I do the same thing sometimes.
See, it's not just me. So you know what I did instead? I opened my phone and used a map. But the map sent me down a tiny street, a dark, empty, scary little street.
Oh no, that sounds bad.
It was. I felt so lost and silly. One simple question would have saved me.
And that's the whole point, right?
Exactly. A phone can't smile at you. A real person can point and say, this way.
But here's the thing about asking. Most people are happy to help you.
That's true. So what do I say?
Start with something soft and polite. Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Oh, that's nice. It sounds friendly.
Exactly. "Excuse me" opens the door. It tells the person, "I need a moment."
And then, after excuse me,
Then you ask your real question. How do I get to the station?
how do I get to? I like that.
It works for any place, you know? How do I get to the bank? How do I get to the museum?
Wait, let me try one. Excuse me, how do I get to the park?
Perfect. See? You sound natural already.
Okay, that wasn't so hard.
It never is. The fear is the hard part.
So true. The fear is bigger than the question. Hey, that's a good line, Anna.
I should write that down. Now there's another useful phrase. Sometimes you just want to find something. So you ask, "Is there a bank near here?"
Oh, near here. I hear that a lot.
Yes, near here means close to this spot. Is there a coffee shop near here?
That's so useful. Short and clear.
And people will point and answer fast.
Let me think of another place. Is there a pharmacy near here?
Nice one. That's a real situation. Maybe you feel sick in a new town.
Yes, and you need medicine fast.
So that phrase is gold. Remember it.
Okay, but here's my real problem. They answer, but I don't understand.
Ah, yes, the famous problem.
They talk fast and I just nod. Then I walk away, still lost.
I know that feeling so well. Let me tell you a quick story. Years ago, I was in a big city. I asked a man for the bus stop. He talked for 30 seconds, very fast. I understood maybe 3 words.
So what did you do?
I just said thank you and walked. Wrong direction, of course.
Oh, classic. I do that too.
But there's a simple way to fix it.
Please tell me. I really need this.
When you don't understand, don't just nod. Say, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Oh, that's polite. I like could you.
Could you is soft and kind. People never mind saying it again.
Hey, people never mind. What does that mean?
Good catch. To not mind means it's okay. It's no problem for them. No trouble.
So they don't mind means they're happy to help.
Exactly. Try using it today, everyone.
That's a great little phrase.
And here's one more trick for fast talkers. You can ask them to speak slowly. Just say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
Oh, that's so simple and polite too.
Most people will slow down right away.
I always forget I can just ask.
We all forget. That's why we practice. Here's one little bonus phrase. You can ask, "Should I walk or take a bus?"
Oh, that's clever. You learn the best way.
Right. Maybe the place is too far to walk.
And a kind stranger will tell you.
They might say, "Take the number 9 bus."
So helpful. One question, full answer.
People love to share what they know. Okay, Anna, now let's make it harder.
Harder? I was just feeling good.
Don't worry, you're ready for this. Sometimes the directions have small words, like turn left and turn right.
Oh, those are important ones.
Very. Turn left at the bank. Turn right at the big tree.
And go straight, right?
Yes, go straight means keep going forward. Go straight for 2 minutes.
I can picture it in my head now.
That's the trick. Picture the words. When someone says turn left, see it. A little movie in your mind.
That really helps me remember.
There are a few more useful ones. It's on your left. It's on your right.
Oh, so they tell you the side.
Exactly. The shop is on your right.
And maybe next to something?
Great question. Next to the bank. It's next to the coffee shop.
So next to means right beside it.
Yes, touching almost. Very close.
These small words do so much work.
They really do. Tiny words, big help. Oh, and one more handy one. People often use landmarks to help you.
Landmarks? What does that mean?
A landmark is a big, easy-to-see thing, like a tall building or a bridge.
Oh, so they say near the big bridge?
Exactly. Turn left after the church. It's across from the train station.
Across from, so it's on the other side?
Yes, facing it on the opposite side.
I love these. They paint a picture.
That's the secret. Directions are pictures.
You know, this reminds me of something. Last week, I helped a tourist. He stopped me on the street. He asked, "How do I get to the market?"
Oh, nice. So you were the helper.
Yes, and my hands were shaking. But I said, "Go straight, then turn left. The market is next to the big church."
Anna, that's wonderful. You did it.
He smiled and said, "Thank you so much." I felt so proud, like really proud.
See, you went from scared to helping.
That's the best part of learning.
One small win and the fear gets smaller.
Speaking of small wins, quick favor everyone, if this episode helps you feel braver, drop a like for Leo and Anna English.
And subscribe so you don't get lost. Lost from our channel, I mean.
Smooth, Leo, very smooth.
Now, one more thing about directions.
Oh, there's more?
Just a little tip, a safety net. Sometimes you really can't find the place.
Yes, even after asking 3 people.
Right, so you can ask one more thing. Can you show me on the map?
Oh, that's smart. Show, not just tell.
Exactly. Most people have a phone map. They can point right at the spot.
And then you actually see it.
Words are good, but a map is clear.
I wish I knew this last month.
Now you do. Next time, no frozen Anna.
No frozen Anna. I love that.
There's one more situation, too. Sometimes you ask, is it far?
Oh, good one. You want to know the distance.
Right. They might say, no, it's close, or it's a 10-minute walk.
So you know if you should walk or not.
Exactly. Such a useful little question.
Is it far? 2 words, so much help.
So let's put it all together.
Okay, first, excuse me, can you help me?
Then, how do I get to the station?
If they talk fast, could you say that again?
Or, could you speak more slowly, please?
And if you're still lost?
Can you show me on the map?
Perfect. We've built a whole toolkit.
You've got everything you need now.
It feels so simple when we say it.
It is simple. Asking is a skill, not a test.
I like that. Not a test.
Nobody grades you for asking a question.
That takes the pressure off, really.
So, here's my challenge for you today. Walk outside and ask someone a small thing.
Even something easy. Is there a shop near here?
Yes, just one question. That's the win.
And come back and tell us how it went.
We'd love to hear your story.
Okay, that's it for today, everyone.
Remember, getting lost is normal.
But staying lost, that's a choice now.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Go ask someone something.